Well, we are continuing our rolling coverage of the International Yoga Day. Namaste and welcome. We are getting you live visuals of the Yoga Day celebrations across the country. On your screens are visuals of, as has been the tradition over the last several years, the union ministers leading from the front, several yoga participants across the world joining in the yoga celebrations. These are visuals that have come in of the union ministers, including Rajnath Singh, as well as JP Nadda, Ashwini Vaishnav, as well as HD Kumaraswamy performing yoga early in the morning. The Yoga Day events have started. We also have guests joining us this morning for details on the significance of International Yoga Day and the kind of change that yoga has brought in. Let's go across first to my colleague Pradeep Datta, who is joining us from Jammu, where the CRPF personnel are performing yoga. Pradeep, in a short while from now, we are going to be seeing the Prime Minister also performing yoga. International Yoga Day has been very, very significant over the last several years. It has become a tradition. But in Jammu and Kashmir in particular, it's a message of peace for the mind and peace in the valley. Pradeep, did also, of course, see you performing yoga some time ago. Speak to some of the CRPF personnel on how yoga plays a significant, very, very significant role in their lives.
Yes, you're absolutely right. When it comes to Jammu and Kashmir, it's not only about the peace of mind, it's also about the peace in Jammu and Kashmir. The message that Prime Minister will be conveying today when he will be performing asanas at the banks of pictures and Dal Lake. Because when we talk about the youth, because we have seen that how our hostile neighbor had been trying to indoctrinate and brainwash young minds. And Prime Minister yesterday, he already had an interaction with the youngsters during a program called Empowering Youth and also Transforming Jammu and Kashmir. So when you are trying to empower youth with the ideas, when you're trying to inculcate good habits, trying to channelize their energy, they will never ever fall prey to any kind of a propaganda. That's what actually the Prime Minister is trying to say. And then look at these people. They are the one who are ensuring peace in this region, because I'm also getting inspired and motivated after looking at them. There was a drizzle. Despite that drizzle, they kept on performing asana. Let me speak to them, because it's a very difficult routine. आपकी बहुत मुश्किल रूटीन रहती है, काफी difficult duty रहती है, काउंटर टेरर ऑपरेशन में इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं. योगा कैसे हेल्प करता है आपको?
वेल, योगा बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल हमारे लाइफ में करता है, हमारी ड्यूटी में करता है, क्योंकि शरीर के साथ साथ मन को हमें हमेशा शांत रखना होता है, उसको फिट रखना होता है. उसके लिए हम योगा का बहुत ज़्यादा सहारा लेते हैं.
So yoga helps them stay fit, yoga helps them keep calm, and it helps them bust stress also. There are more officials here with us. Let me speak to them. प्रधानमंत्री यहाँ पे आए हैं, कैसा पैगाम आपको लगता है वो दे रही है?
सर, बहुत स्वागत है, और हमेशा की तरह प्रधानमंत्री अमन और आज योगा डे पे स्वस्थ रहने का पैगाम लेके आए हैं, तो हम बहुत स्वागत करते हैं और उसे पूरा भरपूर फॉलो भी करें.
Once again, the Prime Minister is sending the message of inclusivity. Prime Minister is sending a message of brotherhood, peace and prosperity in the region. And also he is trying to puncture that bubble of violence that some people are trying to create, trying to tell the world that all is not well in Jammu and Kashmir. The Prime Minister, when he'll be performing yoga, he'll be sending a message to the people across the world. Come out to this place. Enjoy hospitality of Jammu and Kashmir. Enjoy the beauty of this place. Because we have seen that our hostile neighbor never ever wanted peace, prosperity, normalcy here in this region. Especially they can't see the smile on their faces. But Prime Minister has given the best ever gift to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. We have seen that mothers no more have the tears in their eyes. No more they are losing their youngsters because of gun violence. And also credit goes to these brave hearts, because they are the one who are ensuring peace in this region, because they are the one who stand like a rock before the bullets. They ensure that bullets can hit them, but not the people of Kashmir Valley. कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये डे आपके लिए? योगा लगता है कि आज के दिन होना चाहिए, रोजमर्रा आपको इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है आपके लिए?
योगा के लिए सर्वप्रथम ज़्यादा जगह की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. हम किसी भी समय कहीं भी बैठ के इसको हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इसके जितने भी एक्सरसाइज उसको उपयोग में ला सकते हैं.
So very strong message for you, me, that you need not look for an holiday, that you should have a free time when you will be performing yoga. Anytime you can perform yoga while sitting in your office, while there will be a break, you can that time also perform yoga. And I am also getting inspired and motivated, but I'm not fit enough to perform all those asana what they have been performing. But the best thing what I'll be doing after the break will be that I'll be going for the Shav asana. That way I'll be taking a little bit of rest, because you will stay calm and you will stay motivated. But one thing is quite clear, A message is also being sent from the majority Muslim area from Kashmir Valley that those people who are trying to politicize yoga and trying to connect it with particular faith, they're completely mistaken, because over the period of time we have seen, ever since Prime Minister for the first time introduced yoga in 2014 at United Nations, we have seen how the Muslim world too has embraced yoga. They too have realized the utility and importance of yoga, and they have made it a part and parcel of their life. They have made it a part of their day-to-day lifestyle. Let me speak to more people here. कितना important है ये दिन आपके लिए?
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है।
योगा परफॉर्म करते हैं आप?
करते हैं।
कितनी डिफिकल्ट रहती है आपकी हेक्टिक लाइफ रहती है और योगा आपको हेल्प करता है?
बहुत हेल्प करता है, जितना मौका मिलता है करते रहते हैं।
फिट रहते हैं पूरे,
फिट रहते हैं।
काम रहते हैं इससे।
बिल्कुल काम रहते हैं।
So because they have to stay calm, because their life is very stressful. Anything can happen about the conflict zone or the place where there is terrorism. Uncertainty is the only certainty, and in such a situation they have to stay calm. They have to fight against terrorists, and they have to ensure that
Pradeep, yoga has also been completely rebranded. And it's for all, like you mentioned, not just those who have stressful jobs, for students, for people cutting across ages. Just a moment, stay on with us. We have live visuals coming in of the Prime Minister's event in